Hey guys, I just wanted to introduce myself before I continue with more videos. My name is Camila, as you can see on my channel. I'm here just for fun, really. I enjoy experimenting with makeup. This is the look that I'm doing today. If you want to see how I did this, then please keep watching. So to start off, I'm gonna prime my face first with the Dr. Brandt Luminizer primer. Go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer. I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in the shade Chocolate. My under eye concealer and my face with a loose powder. For the under eye, I'm going to use the Tarte Smooth Operator, and I'm going to take this, what is that? This Morphe M438 brush. Okay, now for the rest of the face, I want to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. So now for the eyes, I noticed that a lot of people use only the new palettes that are coming out now, which is nice because they look pretty, and I would use them too if I had them probably. But I wanted to make a look with the Naked 3 palette, the shade Limit. On the Morphe 441 brush, I'm just going to focus on the outer corners. With that same brush, I'm gonna go into the color Nude, which is right here. Then I'm going to take a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go into the color Darkside. Now I'm gonna take the Jane Iredale, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, in the shade Naked. I'm just gonna take that on my finger and put that on the lid. Go into the Naked 2 palette for the shade Booty Call. step one for the mud. Brush, which is right here, and I will dip it into the Darkside. Go into the lightest shade of the palette, which is Strange, yes, with this Wet n Wild brush. I don't know what it's called. Want to try out this glitter liquid crystal body liner from NYX. Okay, so I had to do this off camera because it takes a very steady hand and a lot of patience. So I will bronze with the Dior, what is this? Bronze Original Tan Sun Minerals. Oh, and I'm using the Morphe M527 brush, which unfortunately my dog decided it wasn't very good chew toy. I'm gonna use a little bit of the blush from Wet n Wild's Pearlescent Pink. Highlight with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. I'm gonna line my upper lash line with the, what is it, Urban Decay 24, or maybe I'm not because it's not sharpened. Okay, I'm gonna line my upper lash line with the L'Oreal Riche LeKhol whatever pencil in the shade Midnight Black. Then I will use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is kind of my favorite mascara. You're wondering, yes, I do only have one lip pencil because I don't use anything on my lips usually because I think it looks weird on me. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Peekaboo Neutral Lip Liner.